Hi, this is a demo of the Danelectro Cool Cat series fuzz pedal, the orange pedal right here. This is it's a new line of effects from Danelectro. It's got a metal casing, it's got real metal jacks, which is an improvement over their old series, and it's actually true bypass with a hard switch for mechanical true bypass. I'm playing through a Strat here that has both humbuckers and a single coil in it. So I'll try to show you a little bit of how the combinations sound through this fuzz pedal. First, I'll play a few clean lines on this guitar. The fuzz pedal with the tone is right at 12 o'clock neutral. The fuzz is down to about a quarter of its total gain, and the volume's about neutral as well. Okay, let's experiment. I'm going to turn the fuzz up to halfway up. I'm going to cut just a little bit of the volume this time with the added gain. And this time, just for fun, I'm going to add a clean boost. This is a colorless, no distortion, just a clean boost. Sounds a little bit bright to me, so I'm going to take some of the EQ out. Okay, this time let's go ahead and dime out the fuzz. I'll cut the volume just slightly, and I'll leave the tone. I know you can't see it in the camera, but the tone's rolled off slightly from neutral. This is with no boost. And now with boost. So I don't know how it's coming over on a YouTube resolution, but the boost doesn't add a lot of gain at this stage. It does add some noise, which I don't know if it's coming through. Let me turn off the boost, and I'll play some single note lines. Okay, I've switched to the single coil middle pickup on this Strat here. First with no distortion, no fuzz. Okay, and now with the fuzz on, I've got the gain on about a third of the way up here, and the tone is just rolled off just slightly. Let me put a boost in this. Take the boost off. We'll put the fuzz up to about halfway. And now with boost. And let me go ahead and max out the fuzz. I'll take the boost off. Anyway, with the resolution of YouTube, I don't see a lot of point in doing a lot of ABs and shootouts with pedals like this. Honestly, you could put distortion after this to smooth it out. You could fool with it at different points in the pedal chain, but I've tried to show you just the basics here. So check it out. I think it's a pretty good deal. I paid $29.95 for this, and I'm pretty happy with it.